Hello, everybody, and welcome to NEET Mentor. A new advisory is issued by NMC, National Medical Commission, for all medical colleges, and it's for the candidates, students, PG students who are already studying in the medical colleges. It's for them. So candidates who are in final year, they are in final year for MSMD or diploma courses. So it's for them. So I will tell you in detail what is the advisory and how it can impact the NEET PG 2021 aspirants or candidates. So the advisory is regarding the final year postgraduate diploma or MD MS students in the view of extraordinary situation due to surge of medical COVID-19 cases. Due to COVID-19 cases, the final year examination for PG students, those who were pursuing diploma, MS, MD courses, in many of the colleges, the final year examination was not conducted. And NEET PG examination for 2021 is also postponed. It means the next academic session for 2021-22 is going to be delayed, and new fresh PG students, the new batch will join with so much of delay, and the new batch will able to join only after exam is conducted and the counseling process is over. That is going to take huge amount of time, and it's not going to happen before we get a hold on the situation created due to COVID-19 pandemic. So it is going to take so much of time. Until then, since the examination for final year PG students is also not done, so what is the advisory is in the favor of all of us, those students who are in final year and they are about to complete their course, but they will be their service as residents will be extended in order to avoid shortage of residents which is required in the hospitals. Okay, so the second point is regarding that. In the view of these circumstances, in order to ensure there is no shortage of residents in handling the surge of COVID-19 cases, the service of PG students as a resident may be continued. So it depends on the situation, and for it may vary hospital to hospital and medical colleges to medical colleges, but this advisory has come for all the medical colleges. And the point number 3, all medical institutions including central university, state independent medical colleges, and union territory government institution or private institution, any medical institution are also advised to continue availability of accommodation and payment of a stipend to all such final year postgraduate students during extended period. So in the extended period, all the PG students who are in final year will continue to get a stipend and their accommodation. We as a country need residents, and we can't we can't we can't afford right now the shortage of resident in the hospitals. That's why I say it's good decision taken by NMC. The last decision that came for 2 years of the draft regulation that came for the criteria for passing FMG examination. You have only two attempts. That was very bad, and I can't I can't I can't accept that draft. It will get changed. For that change, you can do one thing. You send a lot of emails to NMC to revert that decision. It is in draft phase now. So after they receive so many comments from the students, and ultimately we need many more number of doctors as the current situation demands. So we can't restrict them to give only two attempts to clear FMG examination. Okay, so it's not a good decision at all, but I am favoring this decision that came today to extend the service of the PG student as a resident, and they will be paid stipend as well as accommodation. So, and see how it's going to impact the examination date for NEET PG 2021. See, they already know the examination is not going to happen soon. Although IMA, Indian Medical Association, made a request to the authority, examination authority, to conduct the examination soon and complete the entire process within 1 month. That is not going to happen, and it won't happen at all. So the examination is not going to happen soon. It will happen in the month of June, or even it can further be postponed to happen in month of July. Okay, but it's not going to happen soon. So this that's how I analyze, and it's my opinion that based on this advisory by NMC, the examination, it looks that examination is not going to happen soon, and that's why the new batch of PG students who can work as resident in the medical hospitals won't be available soon. That's why they are extending the duration for the current students who are about to pass. So you can understand. So for any such kind of update, you can subscribe the channel, click on the bell button so that you get the notification first. And if you have any kind of question, suggestion, then you can comment us in the comment box. And if you like the content, then you should definitely like the hit the like button. So thanks everybody, and be safe. Safety is the best thing that we can do. Take all the precaution in this situation so that we can get the situation under the control. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.